We explore space because that is the human condition. We are always trying to learn more. My name is Josh Cassada, and I'm the pilot for NASA's SpaceX Crew-5 mission to the International Space Station. I was born in California, but I was raised in White Bear Lake, Minnesota. In high school, I really enjoyed and did well at math, and that's actually what drove me to wanting to study physics in college, was to understand the bigger picture and really how the universe works and operates. I got both my master's and PhD and studied with an incredible team at Fermilab doing high-energy particle physics. At Fermilab, we collide protons and antiprotons at nearly the speed of light. The interesting part of particle physics is this is how we understand what's happening at the fundamental building blocks of nature. At the conclusion of my graduate studies at Fermilab, I had an opportunity to join the US Navy and fly for the Navy, and I absolutely took it. The Navy has been really good to me, but it was a shift in culture for sure. I have flown over 4,000 hours in over 45 aircraft, and what that allows you to do is just be ready for whatever's coming next and know that you're going to have to think on your feet. There is a link between aviation and physics, and for me, that link is just being ready for the unexpected. You have to be prepared for everything that might be thrown at you. You need to be able to look at problems in very different ways. And so I thought, man, being an astronaut kind of merges all of those things.
NASA says it's accepting applications for new astronauts.
Of the roughly 3,500 applicants NASA is expecting, only about 15 will be selected for training.
And so I had applied for this position at NASA. I'll be honest, I had no intention of getting it. You know, you don't win the lottery if you don't buy a ticket. So I gave it a shot. And when I got that call, my family and my friends, we couldn't be more excited to be a part of this amazing, amazing experience. And I'll tell you, I am just so honored and humbled to be a part of this NASA team and to be able to contribute to the next generation of exploration and science. I couldn't be more lucky than to fly with Crew-5. For me, going to space is an opportunity to do my job. We've been training and preparing for a long time, and to be honest, that's my priority, is to get up there and do what we've been trained to do. And the science is an incredibly exciting part of that for me too. That's why we explore space. We do things that make this world worthwhile.